Hey y'all, I'm in the garden today and I thought I would answer the question regarding does vinegar or the vinegar salt or the vinegar salt dish soap method kill weeds? I already know the answer, but I thought I would show you. So let's take a look. So my three mixtures are half vinegar, half water. This one is straight vinegar. And this one is half vinegar, half water, and a half a cup of salt. The first area I'm going to do is half vinegar, half water. Just going to pour this on the weed. There's that one. The second weed is going to get straight vinegar. Coating it really good. I'm going to coat all of these right here. With just straight vinegar. And these are getting a mixture of 50% vinegar, 50% water, and a half cup of salt. I do not put these in a sprayer. I do not put these in a sprayer because I know that it doesn't work. There's just some salt in the bottom of my cup that didn't dissolve, so I'm just going to dump it on there. Alright, we're going to let this sit. I'll be back in 24 hours. Here's area 1. 24 hours later, you can see some browning of the leaves, but for the most part, nothing happened. Here's the second area that I doused in a mixture. I'll put up on the screen what this mixture was. This one is more than the first one. Do you have to be obnoxious? And here is the third one, which had the addition of salt, which is about the same as the second one. Now you'll notice in my 3 experiments that I didn't add soap, and soap basically just keeps the liquid on your leaves. I doused the leaves of the 3 crabgrass areas with the 3 solutions. And as you saw, it had some effect, but it didn't have the effect of what I would say equals to something that we don't use, which is Roundup. We don't want to use it. The easiest thing for me with crabgrass is to just pull it. But I think it's safe to say that the vinegar mixtures do not kill crabgrass. I'll do the same experiment on some other areas, so come back for that video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. What does work, however, is pulling them out by the root. Works every time. There you go. 30,000 more to go.